Are you looking forward to turn on map location on Instagram? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So let's get started. Well, it's a new feature that has recently been updated on Instagram, where you are able to easily share the location to any of the person and also request their map location. In order for you to activate, first of all, move into App Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Over here, make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. Once you have the updated version, now you simply need to head over to your application Instagram. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you're on the home page, swipe left and head over to your chat section. Right here you can see the new feature called Map. You need to click on it. Over here it says, join your friends on the map. Well, this feature will help you to discover places and posts. In order for you to turn it on, tap on Next at the bottom. From here you can choose the people that you want to share your location or the map. You can select friends, close friend, and also choose a specific people. For now, let me choose close friends. Click on it. Choose the people that you want to add it on close friend. Once added, click on Done. Now tap on Share Location. And there you go. Now the person that you have shared will be able to view where you are and your location as well. You can also see their location if they accept your request. And if you want to turn off your map location, you can simply turn it off anytime you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.